Hi everyone, so welcome to another video. In this video I will gonna teach you how to swap variable in 4 different ways using Java. So let me create a file, swap.java. So I have a variable a equal to 10 and variable b equal assign 20. Okay, and let me create another temporary variable. That's a basic method, right? So in C assigned a, so I'm saving that a into C, and after that I am saving b into a, and what's the last part? I need to save my a into b through using C. Okay, right now C contain value of a, so I can assign b assign C so that a will get into b, right? So let me print. Yep. So let me run my code. You can see that a assign a equal to 20 and b equal to 10, right? So what's the next method? So if I don't want to use that temporary variable, then what's the next method available? So let me remove these lines. So what I can do, I can assign a plus b. So right now what's the value of my a? It is 30, right? A plus b 30. So what I can do, so let me assign b equal to a minus b. So what's the value of a right now? It is 30. So I am subtracting value of b from a so that I will get 10 over b. So I am assigned value of a into the b. What about a? So I need to get value of b inside a. So a equal to a minus b. What's the value of a right now? It is 30. What's the value of b? The value of b is actually a, so it is 10. So I'm subtracting a minus b. So what will happen? 30 minus 10. So I will get 20 inside my a. So let me try to print that one. Yeah. So value of a is actually right now it's 20 and value of b is 10. So it's sorted. So what's another method? Here also I don't want to use another temporary variable. So I can use XOR operation. So how can I represent XOR? So I am assigning a assign a XOR b. Alright. So what will be my b? B should be a XOR b and my a will be a XOR b. Did you got it? So let me print that for you. So after swapping, okay, is a, yep. So you can see every time a was 10, b is 20. After swapping, it is become a equal to 20 and b equal to 10. So what's another method? So let me do that as well. Okay, so this method is actually called Tuple Unpacking. So it is only available after Java 14 and later versions. Okay, so what I will do here, I will create another array. Okay, so in result equal to, yeah, I just need to create an array. New int a comma b. So new array is result. So what I will do, I will assign a equal to a assign result 1 the second element and b equal to result the first element. So is it sorted? Yep. So let me console that one. So yep. So let me run this code. You can see that right now a is actually 20 and b is 10. Okay, so see you in the next video.